Hi students, in this video I'll be going through the 2013 O-Level Paper 1 question 9 part 1. Alright, so let's read the question. So the equation of a curve is y equals to 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Find the set of values for x for which y plus 3 is greater than 0. So over here we need to solve this inequality, y plus 3 greater than 0. Okay, but they want us to find the set of values of x. And if you look at the inequality that we are given, it's given in terms of y. So we need to find a way in order to introduce x into the inequality. Right, and it's not difficult to do so because we are told that the equation of curve is y equals to 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Okay, so actually we can call this equation 1. And then this inequality, we can call it inequality 2. So all we need to do in order to introduce x into the inequality is to do a substitution. So we can do substitute equation 1 into inequality 2. And just like this, we will be able to get 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 plus 3 greater than 0. Okay, so if we simplify a bit, then we will be able to get this. Okay, so now we are just left with the task of solving this simple inequality. Okay, so whenever you see inequality that only has x, right, as one variable, there's no unknown like k, p, or a, or b, or so on, right? That means it doesn't involve the use of the discriminant. Okay, so in order to solve this directly, all we need to do is factorize this inequality. Okay, and this one is not difficult to factorize, so 2x and x over here. Okay, so we want plus 3x, so plus 2 over here at minus 1. Okay, so always multiply back and check. So 2x squared plus 4x minus x minus 2. Okay, so that's correct. Okay, so to solve an inequality, remember we always need to do a rough sketch of the graph. Okay, so this one is a smiley face because the coefficient x squared is positive. Okay, then we need to mark out the two roots. Okay, so the first root will come from this x plus 2. So the root will be negative 2 and the other root will be half. Right, so over here we have the quadratic expression greater than 0. So we will take parts, those parts that are above the x-axis, right? So the x-axis over here. Okay, so we will shade this part and this part. Okay, because these are the parts of the curve that are above the x-axis. Alright, so since we have shaded these two parts, you can see for this region on the left, we want values that are to the left of negative 2. That means values of x that are less than negative 2. Okay, hence the first half of the answer will be x less than negative 2, or and the second half of our answer, we want values of x that is greater than half, or x, okay, greater than half. Okay, so this would be the solution for this particular question, right? So not too difficult of a question, all right?